Hello guys, today we are seeing a very special semi-trailer we made for the China domestic market. And this semi-trailer is sometime carrying the sorry, sometimes carrying some special machineries. Here's the connection from the semi-trailer to the prime mover. There is the prime mover, and the air compressor gives the braking power signals to those braking lines, and that's the electricity lines. And ABS. You see, in China we have ABS, but most of the time the driver just doesn't like it, so they never connect them together. I think that's a problem. Okay. On the top we have the top loading deck, and the top loading deck is having some maintenance gate. It can also be a toolbox. It can also load some cargo on top of it, so it's multi-function. Here's the gooseneck. The gooseneck, we have some ratchet here and the root hook. Here's our label. It's backing to our factory to do the maintenance. That's another toolbox, and here is the landing gear. And here is the gooseneck drop deck. From there is the top deck. From here is the low deck. Here we have another same function panel. You can open it and see what's inside, or you can just leave it there. Here is a small gap here. When the cargo has been loaded, you can put something here, and here can also be loading some jigs inside of it here to help such like the rear ramp. Can put it here. We have the twist lock over there. You can see the twist lock is in the middle of the loading deck, so the operation is quite tricky. The loading is over here. You have to go under it and then turn it. The clearance from the bottom flange to the ground is quite low. It's just about 300 millimeter, and the loading deck is about 500 millimeter, because the height of the loading deck is maybe 200 or 300 millimeters. So the loading deck is about 600 or 700 millimeter. So you can load the big cargo on top. It can goes to past the highway bridge. Here is the extensible gate. You can open there and operate, and the trailer can extend about 3 to 5 meters when you have to load the longer cargo. And here is the wheel seat for the special machinery. There we have another 4 twist locks. So that's a 20-foot position. But when you are loading a 20-foot container and it's heavy load, you cannot open this. But when you need to load 40-foot, there is another device that we don't have it here. You can put it over there to make sure it is as high as this deck. So you can put the rear of the 40-foot here and the front in the trailer front. So you can have the container loading function on this trailer. Here is another ramp from here to the rear, because we have the tires. We cannot make it any lower. So that's the reason why we are having small tires. This is small tires and axles. That's airbag suspension. Airbag suspension is more durable than is more stable than the leaf spring suspension. Actually, it has a leaf spring here. See, it's a leaf spring, and it gives the observation when you are driving this trailer. Here is the operation bar of the airbags. You can turn it to have lifting and drop off of the airbags. Here is the rear of the trailer. The rear of the trailer is also extensionable. You can see from here, but not quite big. Actually, this trailer is special designed for the special cargo. Normally, the Lowboy is always do the function like this. On this side, you can see those kind of device is to fasten the ropes, and some of them is closing, some of them is open, like this one. This one is open. This is the same design like the other one. It's a wheel seat. Here you can see another twist lock. Here you can actually see one operation bar, another operation bar. So those two operation bars are saying the landing gear is double side operation. This is this side of the trailer. Here is our nameplate. You can see our nameplate have the model number. This is how we get license in China government. This is the tare weight, and this is total weight. The total weight minus the tare weight is the payload, and the total length, total weight, total height. This is the VIN number, VIN number, and this is the production time, the last year, and this is our production number. It's made in China, something like this. Okay, I think that would be all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy our video today. If you like our channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.